Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make good beef stock. First, we'll roast our beef bones. Place them on a baking sheet and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 45 minutes. This crucial step develops a deep, rich flavor and color that you can't achieve otherwise. Make sure they are nicely browned for the best results. Next, let's build our aromatic base. In a large stock pot, sauté chopped onions, carrots, and celery until they're tender. Then, stir in some tomato paste and cook it for a couple of minutes to enhance its flavor. This combination of vegetables and tomato paste creates a wonderful foundation for your stock, adding sweetness and depth. Now it's time for the long simmer. Combine your roasted bones and sautéed aromatics in a large pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring it's 2 to 3 inches above the ingredients. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook slowly for 8 to 12 hours. Remember to skim off any foam that appears. Finally, let's finish our beef stock. Carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all solids. Allow it to cool quickly, then refrigerate or freeze it for later use. Once chilled, you can easily remove the solidified fat layer from the top, leaving you with a clear, flavorful beef stock ready for your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.